Helicopter pilots fly helicopters for a range of purposes, including search and rescue, air ambulance services, transporting people or goods, and even filming for TV or news. Their job is to plan safe flight paths, check weather conditions, inspect the helicopter before flying, and communicate with air traffic control. Some pilots work for private companies, while others work with emergency services or the armed forces. A newly qualified pilot might earn around £25,000 to £35,000 a year. As they gain more flight hours and take on more demanding roles, their salary can rise to £50,000 or even over £80,000, especially in roles like offshore oil rig transport or emergency medical services. Pilots working for private clients or in specialist roles can sometimes earn even more. To become a helicopter pilot, a private pilot's license (PPLH) is needed, followed by training for a commercial pilot's license (Corporal H) if they want to fly for a living. This involves passing medical checks, ground school exams, and completing at least 155 hours of flight training. Training can be expensive, so some people join the military to gain experience or apply for sponsorships. Strong concentration, good teamwork, and staying calm under pressure are key skills for a helicopter pilot.